next section is going to be campuses and majors. The first one is UC values. These are the values of UCs. If you agree, click acknowledge, click save and continue. Next one, when do you plan to start? Again, seniors, I'm 99% sure you guys are going to be freshmen. Earlier, I put my family information, 27K for 8 people. That it says I qualified for a fee waiver. I can apply to 4 schools for free. So if I click 4 schools, it's still 0, right? If I click school number 5, it starts charging me. Right? So I'm going to add, for this example, just to add all the schools so you guys can see what this looks like. So once you add the schools, you click save and continue. Next thing is all the schools. It's going to ask you for a major and an alternate major. So majors, keep in mind, majors, what you want to study. Alternate major, we recommend putting an alternate major. Is it very practical? Not really. Very few schools get to alternate majors. I'll probably go into deeper training later on this month or next month about this specific one. But in terms of like the realisticness of it, doesn't really matter too much there. So majors, right? When you click majors, for example, let's say UC Berkeley, you'll see that it's going to have all the colleges. So you see how colleges work. UCs have the university, then the colleges, right? Then under the colleges, there's majors. So under Berkeley, under College of Chemistry, for example, there's Chem Bio major, the Chem Engineering major, Chemistry major, right? Under this brand new college, this is the first time, brand new college of Computing, Data Science, and Society, there's Computer Science, Data Science, and Statistics. So if you want to open them all up, you can go ahead and open them all up and see what it is. And then you'll see, so I'm opening them all up for you guys. Right, tons of majors, tons and tons and tons and tons of majors. So with this, you're gonna go ahead and select whatever your major is gonna be, right? So say a lot of you guys are interested in computer science. Go ahead and tap that. And alternate major, put something else in, right? So let's say data science, boom, alternate major. So then once you do that, you save and continue. So I'll say your major is computer science, your alternate major is data science. You do this again with all the schools, right? So each school you see is a little different, right? So you know UCLA has like 6 colleges. You see that you can open it up and see. So to say you can pick 2 different majors there. You'll see that I could apply to different majors at different colleges. No restriction when it comes to there. It's up to kind of what you want to do as well, right? So that's the big thing. You go through all this here. If you picked UC San Diego is a very unique school, right? They actually do colleges on their campus. So you go ahead and click rank colleges. They just add the newest college. I think it's 8th college is the newest college. Then the 3 newest ones is called 6th, 7th, and 8th. You rank your colleges based on what you want. Again, if you're interested in UC San Diego, I'm sure you know about this. If not, go ahead and look this up. Each college has certain specific requirements that they require in addition to the normal graduation requirements. For example, one of the colleges is very big on like social justice. So they kind of require you to take a social justice class and this and that, right? So each college is a little different and kind of what they look for, what they require. They're all kind of equal in terms of like the workload of that, but they all have specific themes. So I would definitely look them up and see what you want. Most of our students get into their first or second college, so it never goes down past that. But just to be safe, pick the one you really like. Let's say I like Revell the most, right? Put that the very number 1. Whatever you hate the most, I don't like Warren. At the end, again, these are just random picks. They don't mean anything. Save, continue there, and then you see you have the ranking list right there. Once you're done with that, click save and continue. Think about the UC app. You'll see is that if it's not complete, you'll see like it stopped me because I haven't selected the major yet for all these schools. It's going to tell me, hey, you're not done yet. You can still skip it. You can still save it and skip and get back to it later. So I'm gonna go ahead and click skip the page for now. So I'm at the review page again. You'll see that it has all this information right here, the schools, and then major hasn't selected yet. So I have to go back and do it before I click submit, and all the colleges there. Continue to academic history there.